This is our exercise number 14. We will start it from base. The base dimensions are given to you. Length is 120 and width is 42 units. So we will go normal to the top plane and we will draw the base area. By center and corner command, you will draw the length 120 units and width of 42 units. Exit sketch. Protrusion, height of this slab, it should be how much? 10 units. So choose sketch, feature, extrude command and say 10 units. Now you need to make these sharp edges round, and the radius of this round or fillet is 6. It is given here R6. So you will choose the fillet command. Fillet command will convert your sharp edges into round edges. So you will choose these 4 corners and you will make radius equal to 6. These sharp edges would be converted into round corners. So in this way you will apply the fillet command. Then you will make a T-shaped cross-sectional wall on the upper face of this slab. You will draw here 2 rectangles. Let's put rectangle by corner command. Here you will draw cross section for wall 1, here for cross section wall 2. You will say the thickness of the walls is given to you, that is 6 unit. This is 6 unit wall thickness. This is also 6 unit wall thickness. Now you will say center of this line, midpoint of this line and origin, they are vertical. Similarly, midpoint of this line and origin, they are vertical. Now give the measure to this edge, total length from here up to here. The distance is given to you, that is 60. So you will choose this as 60 units. Trim the unnecessary entities. So this T-shaped cross section you have, you need to protrude it. Choose sketch up to the center. You need to protrude it up to the center. So how much you need to protrude it? 105 from the lower edge, and from upper edge how much it should be? -10, 95. So you will choose the feature extrude command and say "90 units." 95? Okay. 95. Then you need this circular protrusion. Make these sharp edges round. Here the radius is given, that is 16. With R16 make these sharp edges round. Again we will use the fillet command. Choose the corners, edges that you need to make round. We want to make these 2 edges round. Radius would be 16. Accept it. So these are now round edges rather than sharp edges. So then we need this circular protrusion, this one. This total protrusion is of 44 unit. while the width of our base is of 42 units. So it means the circular protrusion is 2 units more as compared to base. So where this excessive portion would be, on what side? It would be in the front side, because this rib indicate this is somewhat excessive portion of the circular protrusion. So we will start from the back side. So you will choose this face, go normal to it and draw a circle, taking the midpoint of this edge as center of the circle. You will draw a circle, and outside diameter of the circle would be how much? 70 units. Exit sketch. This sketch is available on the back side of your part. Here you will choose sketch feature extrude command, and you will say total protrusion or extrusion, it should be of 44 units. So from here you can see your extrusion is slightly more on front side. This is the difference of 2 units that you have from your base width. Now you need to make this protrusion on the upper side of the cylindrical protrusion. To draw it, let's suppose we go normal to the right plane here, and we draw circle. A circle with outside radius 14. Radius 14 mean dia 28. Dia 28. Now you need to give it position. From center of this circle up to the center of this feature, distance is given to you. How much it is? 42. Here it is mentioned 42. Also we draw rectangular portion on the lower side here, and make inner cutout as well with dia 12. Now the distance from this edge excessive side up to this wall is given to you. How much it is? From this edge to this one. This is written here 6 units. Trim the extra entities. Now this sketch you have, exit it. This is available on the right plane, exactly in the middle of this part. You need to protrude it. How much protrusion it should have? 32 plus 32 plus 3, 60, 7 across, got it? Now you need to make an inner cutout of 60 dia. Choose this face, go normal to it, sketch circle, go on perimeter, you will get center. (60 units dia). Choose sketch feature extrude cut command through all. Now you need a central slit of width 3 units. To do so, you will go normal to this face and draw a rectangle. Let's go rectangle by center. This is the rectangle, and the width of the rectangle, it would be 3 units. Exit sketch. Now choose sketch, go in feature extrude cut command, say through all. Now we need a rib starting from the lower edge at a distance of 20 units up to the excessive circular protrusion. So to do so, we go normal to the right plane, and we start from this side, go up to the excessive portion, this one, make it closed. But here the distance from the lower edge to the start of this rib, it is given to you, that is 20 units. Exit sketch. You can slightly penetrate this sketch into the material so that you may have a single slightly go inside the material. Otherwise, this rib would have only tangential contact with the circular protrusion. So choose this sketch feature extrude command, and thickness, it should be 6 units. 6 unit on both sides or mid plane. So in this way you will make this rib. The last part is 2 circular cutouts. Choose this face, go normal to it, draw 2 circles. Diameter would be 15, and you will say these 2 circles, they are equal. Also the center of these 2 circles, they are horizontal. Centers of these 2 circles, they are horizontal. Also center of one circle is horizontal with the origin. Center to center distance between these 2 circles is given how much? This distance is 90. Its mean distance from the center of one circle to the origin, it would be 45. Now the sketch is fully defined. Just you need to make these 2 cutouts. Choose your sketch feature extrude cut command, say through all. So this is your part that you need to model, make its drawing and save it.